Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. Are 5mm wheel spacers safe for Mercedes? For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS Forge grade 12.9 wheel bolt is made by forging process, which is formed by continuous strong pressure. That brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. The 12-pintle shaped design on the head of the wheel bolts can only be manufactured by a large tonnage machine for forging at one time, which further reflects BONOSS super forging process. With high tensile strength, high toughness, better wheel resistance, and ISO standard grade 12.9. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.